I am going to review the best portable air conditioner in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best products, and from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from other customers like you on various sites, performance and specifications on each product. We have gone the extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Honeywell MN10CESWW Portable Air Conditioner. This is a portable and durable air conditioner system that is designed to be washable. The compressor and motor are built with features that protect them from overheating. You can clean the unit by simply running it under a faucet. It is compact and easy to install, meaning you can easily move it to your desired spot in the house, set it up and switch it on, and you are good to go. It is quiet and allows you control the amount of energy consumed because you only set it in the room where it is needed at a time. At number 2, Whynter ARC-145 Dual House Portable Air Conditioner. This powerful and mobile air conditioner is designed to be portable and easy to set up, and comes with a technology that collects and recycles moisture while it is cooling, and uses the same to cool the air and prevent the buildup of condensates. There is also a feature that allows it restart automatically after interruption, like after a power outage. You can customize the settings with activation and shutdown timers during the day. The refrigerant does not deplete the ozone layer, and it can operate in 3 modes, either as a fan, an air conditioner, or as a dehumidifier. At number 3, Global Air 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This brand of air conditioner comes with over 10,000 BTUs of power to help cool the room up to 300 square feet. The air direction is in 4 ways, ensuring that air is evenly distributed throughout the room, and with the digital control, you can set the unit exactly where you want it to be. In addition, there is a remote control that gives you ease of control of your room temperature and LED light that makes reading the display a lot easier. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.